Kathy with AhHa Broadway. I'm here with another short tip to help you be the best performer you can be. So this one is for all my singers out there. While I know there's some other tips about breath control and how we achieve the notes we need to, this is about bringing us as the actor into the song, which after all is the most important part. I believe everybody can sing, but I also believe not everybody can sell it. And what makes a performance really, really powerful is when you as an actor can sell it. And by that, I mean, we tell the story. That's what we keep saying. So just like we did in our scenes and monologues and regular acting tips, we need to do the exact same thing with our songs. So the first thing to do is print out a lyric sheet of your song that you're learning. The lyrics are the words that we sing along to. I like to do it separate from the music so that it looks like a regular old poem or monologue. And then you go through and figure out, just read it without singing, what the story says. It gives you better acting choices, which also will help you hit the notes that you need to hit. For example, if I'm singing, "Oh, What a Beautiful Morning" from Oklahoma, if I don't really believe it's the most beautiful morning, the song can get pretty boring. So when you say, "Oh, what a beautiful morning. Oh, what a beautiful day. I have the most wonderful feeling. Something is headed our way." So read it as a monologue, make those acting choices, then put the music to it. So the very first thing you need to do with the song is treat it just like it's its own play. There's no reason any of us burst out into song unless it's something really bursting from our hearts, whether it's loneliness, happiness, wanting. The emotion always drives us, even when we're singing. So I can't wait to hear you guys. Thanks.